The green sandpiper is a small wader of the Old World. The green sandpiper represents an ancient lineage of the genus Tringa. Its only close living relative is the solitary sandpiper. They both have brown wings with little light dots and a delicate but contrasting neck and chest pattern. In addition, both species nest in trees, unlike most other scolopacids. This species is a somewhat plump wader with a dark greenish-brown back and wings, grayish head and breast, and otherwise white underparts. The back is spotted white to varying extents, being maximal in the breeding adult and less in winter and young birds. The legs and short bills are both dark green. It is conspicuous and characteristically patterned in flight, with the wings dark above and below and a brilliant white rump. The latter features reliably distinguish it from the slightly smaller but otherwise very similar solitary sandpiper. In flight, it has a characteristic 3-note whistle. The green sandpiper breeds across subarctic Europe and east across the Palearctic and is a migratory bird, wintering in southern Europe, the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and tropical Africa. The food is small invertebrate items picked off the mud as this species works steadily around the edges of its chosen pound. This is not a gregarious species, although sometimes small numbers congregate in suitable feeding areas. The green sandpiper is a very much bird of fresh water and is often found in sites too restricted for other waders, which tend to be like a clear all-round view.